Hello, my name is Anja Humada. I am a psychology student and my daily routine is on Monday to Friday. I wake up at 5 a.m. and I go to the gym because it's a light training and do exercise. After that, I go back home. I take my breakfast and after I take a shower to go to my class or work. I just have class on Tuesday and Friday, and I have to work on the Monday and Wednesday. I take my lunch in the my house and I do homework and study for my class. At night I work with my dog and yours. I wash the clothes and clean up my house. Weekend you party and wife, friend and boyfriend. I spend my time with them.